Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to Sportsbong zikaMalambongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ni kahle niyaphila. Ngaphambi ukuthi ngiqale ningakhohlwa ukulike nokusubscribe to the channel mawungaka subscribe. But maso subscribeile cela ungisize ngento yodwa ukushare ulike nje kwevideo. Ngawenza omkhulu umehluko. Ngabonga kakhulu. Danko. Kaizer Chiefs players landed safely at Cairo Egypt for the game that they have to play versus Al Masry. Kusho kona ukuthi zonke izinto zambe ngohlelo, hopeful ukuthi even the travel and the logistics now they are on point, ukuthi singazitholi nathi sesikhala ngokuthi hey amahotela washa wacima, asikwazanga ukuthi sidle ukudla ku right yabo. But I think ukuthi leyo nto leyo angeke isiphazamise kakhulu, but into ebalekile is to focus on football ukuthi into esiyele lapha yana ukuthi siyenze. So we also the squad that traveled. Unfortunately players like Gaston Sereno, Claude Lillepo, Khanyisa Mayo, Eden Chislet, Luke Bartman, Nkanyiso Shinga, they didn't travel with the squad, and Ure Frosler including Eden McCarthy because of different reasons. Amanye waziwa, amanye aziwa. I don't know ukuthi is it true ukuthi Gaston Sereno is suspended, but I think ukuthi lana it's a matter of negotiations, because mela negotiate ukuthi extendela i-contract or bayamdedela, because we saw today ukuthi there was another contract extension one of the Kaizer Chiefs players. But for Gaston Sereno obviously i-situation ena kanjena mela asale behind so that azokwazi ukunegotiate kahle ukuthi siyakhubulela umholo or siyagafulela umholo or siyakudedela uyahamba, because you know ukuthi more renew contract phindo futhi kuya restructure the way i-contract beyidraftwe ngakhona, so it can happen ukuthi mele and ukuthi ngenzeka ukuthi ithathe isikhathi kube i-process, because mele bakwazi ukureacha one common understanding, and then that's when izinto zizohamba ngohlelo. But on the brighter side, I think the squad that traveled, I think it is fairly balanced, because every position is covered, even though we were surprised by the inclusion of Paseka Marco and Kevin Msimanga. So Kevin Msimanga simply means which is replacing Eden McCarthy, and Paseka Marco uhambele ispace saka Shinga, because the situation ga Shinga I think ye difficulty than ga Chislet no Bartman, because at least laba two years understand a good competition is tight. But for Shinga angeke player liye ku injury liphinde libuye ku injury, wena ungayanga ku injury maqeda libuye lithatha in isport isingena ngo match day squad travel with the team, but wena bokhona, even though asinasho ukuthi uzodlala uMarco Rangeke, but it could have been him who travel with the squad, because obviously I think ukuthi in terms of fitness bayazoba fit ukudlula yena because bayangalimalanga. But now something is beating water, khona okushaya amanzi phakathi ku situation eKaizer Chiefs noNkanyiso Shinga, because there's no way, because kuma left back awakho maningi ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngaba difficult for him ukuthi athole isport. But for the other players it is understandable, because Bartman is competing with Silva, Igudaro, Mayo, Dupreez. But now for Shinga eka Shinga yiyo ke emele siyifakele ibuku eka Eden Chislet ke we all know ukuthi kahle kwenzakalani, but angeke siforce izinto zenze ngendlela yethu, mele nje samukele lokho sikubonayo naloko sikutholayo, because I think they need our support more than anything else now. Lento yethu criticize nokujudge ayingeke sincede nganext. But one thing I want to understand ukuthi if iKaizer Chiefs traveled and Lillepo akekho, there's Dupreez there. Dupreez, the coaches must decide ukuthi will they use him as a center forward or bazom-add kuma right wingers, because I think ukuthi he plays better makadlala as a winger compared to a center forward, because we know ukuthi sometimes it becomes limited, especially for his pace, if you are going to play against a team that won't allow you to have a space between them so that you can run to. So but makaku winger he has a lot of space. Uyazi ukuthi it's either ngiyakhatha, it's either ngiyadirect, it's either ngifuna ama-wide channel because ngine pace ngilwela ama-cross. But makalapha ku center forward it becomes difficult, and with the rumor that was said ukuthi it seems like ukuthi they they are looking forward ukuthi bamloan in January. I think a loan will do for du Preez, because now the pressure is too much for him to bear, because we are talking about someone that just recently lost his father, and the pressure from the Kaizer Chiefs fans, and we know very well that du Preez is a good player, one of the players that we can say with every season mele akwazi ukukora 10 plus goals, but because of unale disease yakhe ayi-one yokumixta ama-obvious goals, but now sekumele simbeke kuma-situations whereby ukuthi angazithola ku-transfer list or bambeke ukuthi bamyise kuphi ku-loan, because they see now ukuthi with the kind of strikers that we have, even for him he will fall out of favor, because now we see ukuthi what if Tashreeq Morris was getting the same opportunity du Preez was getting, the chances that du Preez gets to miss ngabe sikuphi manje, because we have to treat all the players equally, singakhethi ukuthi lo i-breadwinner lona ngase-breadwinner, but we have to understand ukuthi du Preez now kunzima ukuthi ungamkhulumela, because so far he's not giving anything to Kaizer Chiefs, and now uyabona ukuthi kuma match day squad he's always missing. But now the important thing ukuthi the coaches must find a way if they want to use him. They rather opt ukuthi bamise kuma wingers ayo-eda ngale kuma right winger kubo du Preez kubo uye uMfundo Vilakazi, because ulilepho ngathi sebamise ngale ka left wing awu compete no Modi and uAsanele Vilakazi. But now into sekumele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi with the players that we know ukuthi their contracts are coming to an end next year June, so obviously from January they can sign a pre-contract with teams of their choice, but not unless Kaizer Chiefs are willing to give them a contract extension. Because when I started the video I spoke about indaba ukuthi there's a player of Kaizer Chiefs, and we know very well what that player is. Bruce Vuma. Bruce Vuma got a contract extension of 2 years, simply means ukuthi contract yakhe bekumele iphele ngoJune 2026 seyophela 2028, so bamhlabe nga 2 years, simply means one thing here ku Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are in no hurry to sign a new goalkeeper. This is a clear indication and a message to the fans ukuthi stop forcing this thing ukuthi kufune ku goalkeeper, because now it seems like ukuthi they feel like uBrendan Peterson is a safe pair of hands whereby ukuthi bangakwazi ukuthi bazimele ngaye ukuthi abakwazi ukubatakula kuma situations, because this season it seems like ukuthi he's fully focused, he's locked in, that's why he's performing the way, because naye he's one of the players emele extend the contract if nakhona they feel like there's a need to extend for him, because based on our performances na kanjani he deserves a contract. But with Bruce Vuma getting his contract extension, sesilinde no Brand Peterson, and then for Rufia Krintwari, since vele isizini vele iqalile kumele ukukhulunywa ngendaba yakhe ukuthi ngathi ufuna ukhanjiswa, unfortunate ukuthi abakayitholi buyer that is willing to buy him, because Kaizer Chiefs ithe 8 million or nothing. So ama teams seem like no angeke sokhipha 8 million thina for goalkeeper, so kumele bakwazi ke nabo bathola iplan, sida bayodropa i-price tag yakhe or bazenza sure ukuthi bahlala naye up until contract yophela, because though there are only 2 options, but for these 2 goalkeepers it simply means ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs must do justice. Many people obviously they can be asking question ukuthi bamnikeleni uBruce Vuma, because ku Kaizer Chiefs akayisizi nga next. Khumbula ukuthi uBruce Vuma ubuya ku development ye Kaizer Chiefs, so he knows everything about the Chiefs, and now the only thing manje emphasis is the fact that kuti ama mistakes awayenzayo, it seems like it doesn't want to grow, it doesn't want to improve, because one thing about goalkeepers they always say ukuthi they mature with age, the more they grow is the more mature they become, because besibona ngabo Gianluigi Buffon, Ike Casillas, Peter Cech, abo Thibaut Courtois, you can see now with managers they know what okay in terms of a positioning, in terms of my reflexes, in terms of a controlled focus, this is what I need to do as a goalkeeper. But for Bruce Vuma, and it will be difficult for us to see him is there any improvement, because if Brendan Peterson will continue performing the way that he's performing, it won't give Bruce Vuma a chance ukuthi avimbe and angeke sibone ukuthi he has improved or he's still lacking. But i-Kaizer Chiefs ngokumgalo 2 years, it simply means ukuthi they are hoping ukuthi he will repay them when time goes on, because we know very well ukuthi 2028 usekudeni. Nanoma ngathiwa khona ugoalkeeper ozoba khona, ngenzeka ukuthi if ever bathengisa uNtwari they can find another goalkeeper, but for now I think they are sorted in that department. They are content with the goalkeepers that they have, or maybe they can try to groom uNaphthali Mokoena as they've done ngokuthi balokhu bahamba naye kuma games, especially when they are traveling. Unfortunately this time it didn't make the cut because of they were thinking about the cost ukuthi angesithatha abantu abaningi. 22 players were enough to travel with the squad to Egypt. And then let's talk about the coach Jose Rivero. Many people are thinking, what if Kaizer Chiefs can decide ukuthi bamsign because sekangapha, but they made it clear ukuthi bona lama coaches abanawo, the co-coaches, so far they are doing great, but it's not like they're gonna rely on them, but they will wait for the season to end and then they will take it from there. They will look for a coach, because what if these coaches, they do well, they win us a trophy and they take us into advanced stages on the CAF Confederation? Obviously they will say okay, they are good, they are in good hands in these two co-coaches because they are steering them in the right direction. But it can happen also with if they don't do well, Kaizer Chiefs must find a coach. And as Bobby did say, they are looking for a coach specifically, with a coach that has experience, a proven record of winning in CAF competitions. It's either CAF Champions League or CAF Confederations, because that's the part they want to take. Our phone would basha view once every after 4 years, every 5 years, 6 years we CAF competitions, because they know very well now the type of recruitment that they made them with intention ukuthi they want to compete in Africa. So now Coach Rivero, I think ukuthi can be the last person on their candidate list because of what uBobo wakusho laphana. Vela ngeke ngikusho cause akukho mnandi lokho wakusho uBobby. And also mawuthi uyabheka, even naye ucoach uJose Rivero did say ukuthi Orlando Pirates was the last team bengayicoacha eMzansi, so ayikho enye team angazibona icoach. And now njengoba shilo ukuthi once to coach, he can, not what he wants, he can coach iBafana if an opportunity comes his way. So it simply means ukuthi Helman Mkhelele manganakanga bangamshaya first man on that coaching gig national team. But for iKaizer Chiefs, forget asikhohlweni, let's focus on these co-coaches and give them the full support that we can give them, because they deserve that. Because abanye sebanalo ukuthi ngoba baphuma esandini sikaNabi, they think ukuthi they're gonna do the same things uNabi bekazenza, but they are their own person now. They are doing their own thing. They make their own decisions. Whatever that they will do that don't benefit the club, they are going to be the ones that are going to face the consequences. So for now, let's support our co-coaches. Skhohlwe, uMazibuko, support the boys. Congratulations to Bruce Fuma on getting contract extension. Hoping with the other players now they will get a contract extension if the club feels so, and hopefully we will get our results are good on the game that we're going to play on Sunday versus Al Masry, Egypt, Suez Stadium. Hi, asivale.